am Sharmiki Shetwani from Mona Model English Medium School, Sarangar, from class 4th rows. Today, I would like to present advantage of afforestation and disadvantage of deforestation. This is afforestation, and this is deforestation. When we grow plants, it's called forestation. Forestation is gift of God. When we grow plants, we can get so many things like oxygen, medicine plants, fruits, vegetables, flowers, oil, and etc. By forestation, we can get oxygen. By forestation, we can save wildlife. See, this is lion, this is tiger, elephant, zebra, horse, rhinoceros, wow, hippopotamus, camel, giraffe. By forestation, we can stop soil erosion. Forestation is helps in draining and stop global warming also. But deforestation is very bad. Cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Deforestation is very dangerous for human beings. It's increased temperature. We cannot get oxygen by deforestation. So many wildlife are destroyed. For this beautiful earth, we should be for nature. Always plant trees and do afforestation. See, this is afforestation and this is deforestation. Afforestation is greenery, trees, plants, wildlife, birds, mountain, water. Wow, this is so beautiful. But deforestation is nothing. No trees. No plants, no water, no wildlife, no oxygen. Deforestation is very bad. Deforestation causes pollution. So my dear friends, have you seen the difference between afforestation and deforestation? Definitely, afforestation is better than deforestation. So come, do plantation and make our earth beautiful. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Anshika Sarwani from class 4-2 Mona Model English School, Sarangar. Today I am discussing my model advantage of afforestation and disadvantage of deforestation. So let's start. First we learn advantage of afforestation. What is afforestation? Planting tree on an area of land in order from forest is called afforestation. Forests help in vegetation by heated the temperature. We get many things from forests such as fruits, flower, paper and etc. from forest. Forests provide shelter for animals and food for living. Next we learn disadvantage of deforestation. What is deforestation? Destroy of forests and their trees is called deforestation. Cases of deforestation are logging, agriculture, mining, dams and roads. First we learn agriculture. Farmers need land for growing crops and raises animals. Logging logging, cutting down of tree for their wood. This is my presentation of advantage of afforestation and disadvantage of deforestation. Thank you for listening me.
May your attention please. Hello everybody, myself Anisha Goswami from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sanagar. I study in class 4th. Today I am presenting the advantages of afforestation and disadvantages of deforestation. First you say what is afforestation, deforestation, then explain the advantages and disadvantages of afforestation and deforestation. Okay, let's start. Afforestation has countless benefits. One cannot imagine the advantage it will be bring for mankind, wildlife as well as the vegetation. When we practice the afforestation, we will be able to prevent soil erosion. This will in turn the fertility of the soil, and therefore it will be beneficial for agriculture sector. Okay, let's start. Deforestation. Deforestation is the process of cutting down trees and forests without replanting them again, and the causes of the deforestation are to obtain from the wood, fuel, or to uses the land for mining, farming, or constructions. These will from civilization time for the till now. The forest food is very essential for humans' day-to-day life. Okay, that's all. Thank you everybody. Thank you. And bye. Good morning to all of you. Myself Rashi Bare from class 4. I am from Mona Model English Medium School, Saragar. Today my topic is the advantage of afforestation and the disadvantage of deforestation. Let's see the advantage of afforestation. The changing into barren land into green land is called afforestation. The benefits of afforestation. Number 1. Afforestation is the essential way to save trees, wildlife and all the forest. Number 2. Trees gives us oxygen and take us carbon dioxide. Number 3. Trees help in precipitation. Afforestation brings rain. Number 5. Trees make environment clean and healthy life. Number 6. It reduces the globalization and air pollution. Let's see our deforestation. Deforestation. The changing of green land into barren land is called deforestation. People in large number cutting down of trees for making roads, building, factories and industries, and collection of woods. Number 2. Globalization, urbanization, industrialization are some ways of deforestation. Number 3. The causes of deforestation: animals lose their life and the homes. Thank you for listening me. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Samriddhi Tamboli from class 4 Mona Modern English Medium School, Sanagar, and my topic is advantage of afforestation and disadvantage of deforestation. First is deforestation. Look, this is a model of deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees for commercial purpose. How it is happened? Look, you can see people are cutting down trees for making road, building, canal, factories, cities, etc. Then effect of deforestation is first, animal and bird lost their home. Second, less rainfall and also less oxygen in the air. Third, soil become dry and barren. Fourth, next causes of deforestation is first, natural causes as fire, floods and parasites. Then human causes as make factory, building, road, canals, etc. Then afforestation. Wow, a wonderful forest. This is a model of afforestation. Afforestation means planting tree in a non-forest land to create a forest. Benefits of afforestation is first we get many things from forest such as medicine, herbs, wood, fruit, wood, etc. And we get wood from forest for making furniture. Third, forest provides shelter for wild animal. Fourth, forest give us oxygen. Forest give us proper oxygen in the air. It give us oxygen and keep a proper balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then soil erosion. It prevents soil erosion. Tree binding to their roots. This is and stop soil erosion. Then forest is stabilizer of climate and maintain biodiversity. Then slogan: plant more tree, make environment pollution free. Respected teacher and my dear friend, I hope you understand my presentation. Thank you and bye.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vivanta Sarvani. I study in class 4th. Today my topic is advantage of afforestation and disadvantage of deforestation. Advantage of afforestation: it prevents to soil erosion. It means afforestation prevents soil erosion because it helps to tree grow large, very strong root that prevent to hold washing away. Disadvantage of afforestation are: it can bring some problem of ecotourism. It means if the purpose of afforestation is ecotourism, it may be subject to potential problem that come with ecotourism, such as leading and harm to wildlife. Deforestation advantage: it makes expansion possible. It means another benefits of deforestation is the transformation of forest into safe road to transport goods and come cities to other places and meet the demands of commercial. Disadvantage of deforestation: it causes green gas build up. It means with more tree being cut down, there will be loss of sources in the oxygen in the air. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Jole from Mona Mora English Medium School, Sarangar. I read in Standard 4. I want to give presentation about advantage of afforestation and disadvantage of deforestation. First, What is afforestation? It is the process of planting trees and growing seed on a barren land to create a forest. The main objective of this process is to create a new forest. Afforestation can be done by planting more and more trees. Some benefits of afforestation. It prevents soil erosion as the trees root hold soil tightly. It prevents global warming. What is global warming? Global warming, it is the melting of ice which lead to increase sea level. Sea level. Afforestation prevents it as plant more and more trees. Afforestation preserves wildlife. As we know, as the forests are the home for animals. And second, deforestation. It is the cutting down of trees in large amount which lead to destruction of forest area. Why the deforestation happening? Deforestation main causes was human who want to build more and more factories and buildings by destroy a forest. Accused of overgrazing of animals. Disadvantages of deforestation. It causes soil erosion. It decreases forest area. It destroys animal habitat. We lost the medicine because of here. If we want to live life happily, save the forest. Plant trees, save you